Happy Makeup Friday. This look is all about these lips. I picked up a few lip colors from my local beauty supply store and I just needed to give them a go. Stay tuned to see what I use. Hey everybody, so I'm just cleaning off my lips. I prepped my lips with a little bit of Blistex and I let it sit while I did my foundation and the rest of my makeup, but now I'm just cleaning off my lips to make sure that my lips are perfectly clean so that I can prime them. So now I'm just going to take the Too Faced lip primer and put a nice coating on my lips. Now I'm going to go in with the Nicka K Aqua Lip in the color Navy Blue. I picked this up at my local beauty supply store for $1.99. The entire collection was absolutely beautiful, but I only picked up a couple of colors. Hit the thumbs up if you want me to do a full haul on all the colors. And I'm just going to use this to outline my lips. Now I'm taking the Ruby Kiss matte lipstick in Blue Lagoon and I'm just placing that in the center of my lips and blending. This is such a beautiful combination. Now I'm going to clean up my lips with my NYX HD Concealer in Deep Golden. Now I'm just going to put a little Lumi by Sugar Pill in the center of my lips just for a little extra bling. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe. New videos every Friday. Happy Makeup Friday.